Mercedes owners love how the standing logo looks like. But in this case, I personally don't like, I love it how it looks like, but I don't like this kind of logo in my car because it's like a magnet. People lean on it and they break it. So to avoid that, I decided to switch from a standing logo like this because they already broke it once in mine. From a standing logo like this, I'm gonna make it flat, and then I'm gonna leave a link in the description of this video where did I get the part. And if you're patient, you probably will be end up paying less than $15 or $20 for this.
We have to replace this standing logo, and instead of the standing logo, put a flat Mercedes logo here. So we're gonna open the hood and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to replace this. I come to the side, I'm gonna open the door of the car and open the hood. I'm gonna open the hood right here, which is this red handle right here. You hear that? If you never open a Mercedes hood, so it's a good time to know it. They have this pull handle. You pull it and go up, okay? See that? And then it retracts back.
What you actually have to do right now is not what I'm doing right now, trying to get both ends. What you do is just grab one end and turn it to the left, and then that's how you lose it.
Okay, this is the part number A0000 A7 A171701. A0000 A171701 is the part number for this flat logo. So you can switch between that and the standout logo emblem, but I like better this one. So let's take a look.
This type of logo, it only go one way. As you can see, I have it here. First of all, we have to install the bottom place, and then after that, stick that portion on the top. It has double glue tape, and then once we have it aligned, the bottom base, we're gonna have to stick this part right here. It only goes one way, so there's no way you can lose it. You see a cross line right there, and the top is vertical to the line of the cross, which is vertical. So this is how it fits. And over here, we are ready to remove the old one. So as I said, just grab one part and turn it to the left, one side and turn it to the left. And I got it loose right now, and I'm gonna remove it. It's easy to remove, nothing from another world. Actually, this is the part when you clean very well that section and put silicone around before to put the new one. The new one has a spring and two push buttons that you can press when you're trying to get it out. Now I'll show you how to install it. It's super easy. And putting the new one is so easy, like just press these clips right here. So actually you just press it down, align it and press it down, making sure the cross goes vertical way, as you can see, and just press. Easy like that. When you're gonna get it out, then you press the clips with the springs that I showed you previously, and this is how it is. So all you have to do is make sure you clean and put silicone before you press down like this, and put some tape to hold it, and that's it. To get it out, you just gotta press the spring right there on the top. As you can see, I have it in already, so all I have to do is stick the rest of the logo that it came with it. Before to do that, we always want to make sure and double check that it's pretty much clean, because we don't want dirt goes in between the glue. And then once we do that, I really recommend you to peel one section first from top to bottom and hold the rest with the, hold the rest with it, and just remove the final when you already see the top first, and align it pretty well before you do this step. Be careful, and this is how it look like.
Every time you give a like, share this video, comment, it helps me a lot to help my channel to grow and make more videos like this. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and give it a like and share it. Thank you so much.